Now let's consider this question on order of operation. Now when you say order of operation, we are talking about the four operations, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these are the four main order of operations, or these are the four main operations that we have. Even though in this question you can see that we have them over here. So the minus, the addition sign, multiplication sign, the division sign. Okay, but in this question, it is better for you to use the acronym. I know you have heard it before, either BIDMAS, or you can call it BODMAS, or PEMDAS. So you can apply any of these order to solve the question. But one important clarification I have to make is that mostly in the order, when you consider multiplication and division, and also addition and subtraction. Now, example, when I write board, or let me write, when I write board mass, as you can see over here, division comes before multiplication, and also addition comes before subtraction. But when solving questions involving the order of operations, the order is from left to the right. So from the left to the right. So let's say that even though in over here the division comes before the multiplication, but let's say the question we have multiplication first followed by division. You're not going to say that in the acronym division comes before multiplication. So you're going to solve the division place before you come and solve the multiplication. No, it doesn't work like that. Even though here the d comes before the m, but let's say the question we have something like this: negative 2 times 4 divided by 6. In such question, as you can see, the multiplication sign comes before the division sign. But if you look here, you can see that the division sign comes before the multiplication sign. But in this question, if you go and do it like this, if you go and solve it over here, and then before you come and solve this one, you get it wrong. So for bear in mind, for multiplication and division, it doesn't matter if whether division comes first followed by multiplication, or multiplication comes first followed by division. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the rule from left to right. So from the left to the right, the sign which comes first, the operation which comes first, we are going to solve that one first, and then you move on to the other one. The same thing applies to addition and subtraction. So for addition and subtraction too, the order is from the left to the right. So when solving it, the one that comes first, if addition comes first before subtraction, you deal with addition and then you then move on to the subtraction. But if in the other way, subtraction comes before addition, you solve the subtraction before you move on to the addition. So now knowing that the order is from the left to the right, so let's go ahead and then solve this question. So the first one we have 64 minus 3, all into bracket 13 plus 2 times 12 divided by 8 minus 3 times 3. Now let's consider each one of these acronyms. As you can see here, we have B, and then the P. Here the B stands for bracket, and then the P stands for parentheses. So which means that whenever you're coming to solve and then we have the bracket or the parentheses inside, you need to deal with the bracket first. So we need to deal with everything inside the bracket, and then after that we can move. So consider this place. Let's consider this place. Now over there we have, so let me, step 1, we have 13 plus 2 times 12 divided by 8 minus 3 times 3. Now using board mass, as you can see here, the order, which is the indices or the power, we don't have power, so we move on to the next one. Now as you can see, as I said, multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So you ask yourself here, do you see multiplication and division sign inside here? I can see multiplication here and also division sign here. But because the multiplication comes before the division sign, I'm going to consider solving the multiplication first. So the first thing I have to ask myself is that which two numbers do I have the multiplication sign or the operation in between them? So there is in between the 2 and then the 12. So this is how we're going to solve 13 plus 2 times 12. I'm solving the multiplication first because in the order multiplication comes from left to right. Multiplication sign comes before division. So 2 times 12 is 24 divided by 8 minus 3 times 3. Now we've gotten rid of the multiplication sign. So in that order we have division. Now for division 2, the division sign is in between 24 and then 8. We just continue over here. 13 plus 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So we have solved the division and then minus 3 times 3. Okay, so in that order, we had the multiplication sign, division, and the multiplication. So let's consider this one again. And then over here too, we have 13 plus 3. And then 3 times 3 2 is 9. Now we have addition and then subtraction. So addition comes first before subtraction. Then you add this one. 13 plus 3 is 16. And then minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Don't forget, we are still, everything is still in the bracket. So now the step 1, we now have 64 minus 3 all into the bracket. Now the bracket we got 7 plus 11. Now to get rid of the bracket, we just multiply the 3 to this by the 7. So 64, 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 11. Now over here you can see that the subtraction sign comes before the addition sign. But don't say that in BODMAS, or as you over here you see that the a comes before the x. So you're going to solve this place first before you come and solve the no. Is in the order division, sorry, in the order when the sign, which is the subtraction, comes before the addition, we are going to consider the subtraction first. Now 64 minus 21, 64 minus 21, we have 4 minus 1 is 3, then 6 minus 2 is 4. Over here we have 43 plus 11, which will give you 54. So this is how we can use the for operation, which is the order. Now in that order, as I said, always when you consider multiplication and division, in the order we have from left to right. So each one of them, the one that comes first is the one that you're going to start from. The same thing applies to what? Addition and then subtraction. So in the order, the sign or the operation which comes first will be dealt with first before we move on to the next operation. Now let's consider the second question. In the second question, we have bracket open and then we have another two brackets also inside the bracket. So we have a bracket within a bracket. Now let's consider the BODMAS. So we have to do the bracket first. Now, as you can see, we have this big bracket and then we have this smaller bracket or parentheses within it. Now let's solve everything within here. So step 1, we have the big bracket and then 45 minus 3 divided by 3 squared plus 5 times 2 minus 5. Now let's consider this one first. So this one, even though we have a bracket within a bracket, still inside this bigger bracket we must solve this one first. So over here 45 minus 3 is 42, and then we've gotten rid of these two of these brackets, and then here we have 3 squared is 9 plus 5, then we have times 2 minus 5. Now inside 42 divided by 9 plus 5 is 14 times 2 minus 5, and 42 divided by 14 is 3 times 2 minus 5, then 3 times 2 is 6 minus 5, which will give you 1.